When a physician fails to meet the industry standards expected of them, conflicts can arise between patients, doctors, and hospitals. These disputes often end up in court. Our law firm specializes in providing legal support for both patients and hospitals in these malpractice cases. Trusted Malpractice Lawyers in Istanbul, Turkey, protecting your rights and interests in Turkish health law cases. When it comes to medical malpractice cases, trust the experienced lawyers at Kurucuk Associates to provide expert legal support. At Kurucuk Associates, we understand the complexities and legal nuances of Turkish health law and malpractice cases. Our experienced lawyers have been providing expert advocacy, mediation, and consultancy services since 2014. Defending your rights, Turkish health law and malpractice lawyers in Istanbul, Turkey. In addition to representing clients in civil lawsuits for compensation claims resulting from treatment mistakes, negligence, and intentional crimes, our Turkish health law and malpractice lawyers also provide criminal defense services. We are committed to ensuring our clients' legal rights are protected and are dedicated to achieving the best possible outcome for their cases. Expert legal support for medical malpractice cases. Trust Kurucuk Associates experienced health law lawyers. At Kurucuk Associates, we specialize in health law and have a deep understanding of the complexities surrounding medical operations. With the increasing application of health law in recent years, our experienced lawyers are dedicated to representing clients in cases involving erroneous medical intervention and other medical malpractice claims. Legal representation for erroneous medical intervention cases. Trust Kurucuk Associates to protect your rights and secure the best outcome. We thoroughly examine each case to determine if there was indeed an erroneous medical intervention and provide our clients with expert legal advice and representation throughout the entire legal process. Trust us to protect your rights and obtain the best possible outcome for your case. Expert malpractice lawyers in Istanbul, protecting your rights in complex medical cases. At Kurucuk Associates, we understand the complexities surrounding complications and malpractice cases in the medical field. While complications may occur despite following medical standards, malpractice is defined as damage caused by ignorance, inexperience, or indifference. Our experienced lawyers provide expert legal advice and representation in cases where the responsibility of the attending physician is in question. We thoroughly examine each case to determine whether the complication was due to an unavoidable possibility or malpractice. Trust us to protect your legal rights and obtain the best possible outcome for your case. Protect your rights and interests in Turkish health law cases with Kurucuk Associates. Trusted malpractice lawyers in Istanbul. Turkish malpractice lawyers, protecting your health and legal rights with Kurucuk Associates. At Kurucuk Associates, our experienced Turkish health law and malpractice lawyers are dedicated to representing clients in compensation cases related to physician error, wrong treatment, and misdiagnosis. We understand that the responsibility of physicians due to faulty surgeries and operations is a crucial issue in health law. In order for a physician to be held responsible in health law, they must have committed a fault. Our team thoroughly examines each case to determine if there was indeed a fault that caused harm to the patient. In cases where there is no fault, the physician cannot be held responsible. Get the compensation you deserve with Kurucuk Associates, your expert Turkish malpractice law attorneys. Our lawyers are here to provide expert legal advice and representation in malpractice lawsuits. We believe it is important for patients to know their rights and be aware of the principles and procedures to follow in the event of any negativity. Our team will guide you every step of the way and help you receive the compensation you deserve. Although harm cannot always be prevented, its effects can be eliminated, and the patient can receive a small reward. Don't waste time, act professionally, and let us help you obtain the best possible outcome for your case. Trust Kurucuk Associates for all your health law and malpractice needs. Protecting your rights, expert malpractice lawyers for compensation and criminal cases in Turkey. Apart from compensation law, health law is also related to criminal law. If a crime has been committed during or after a medical intervention, patients have the right to file a criminal complaint. We believe that health law requires a professional study and follow-up as it places certain obligations on both the physician and the patient. Failure to comply with these obligations or recognize these rights can lead to significant losses. Don't let a medical malpractice crime go unpunished. Trust Kurucuk Associates malpractice lawyers to defend your rights in both compensation and criminal cases. Empowering your rights, Kurucuk Associates comprehensive Turkish health law and malpractice services. At Kurucuk Associates, we're committed to providing our clients with comprehensive legal support and guidance throughout the entire process. Trust us to handle all your health law and malpractice needs with professionalism and expertise. Here's a list of the Turkish health law and malpractice services provided by Kurucuk Associates, including but not limited to expert legal advice and representation in malpractice lawsuits, training on health law and malpractice cases for clients, follow-up of conversations between the patient, the doctor, and the hospital, mediation for malpractice services, assistance in filing a claim for compensation due to wrong treatment, legal representation in filing a criminal case for malpractice. Contact Kurucuk Associates expert lawyers for your legal needs. If you're in need of legal representation in matters of health law and malpractice in Turkey, our team of experienced lawyers at Kurucuk Associates is here to help. With our expert advice and guidance, you can navigate complex legal issues with confidence and receive the compensation you deserve. Contact us today to schedule a consultation.